All right, let's get started. What a beautiful day it is here today. Beautiful fall day. So before doing this, I did some joint mobility exercises to loosen up my body and my joints. It's just such a nice day to get outside, get some sunshine, get some fresh air, and now get in a good workout. So I'm a little bit hungry at the moment. I got up a few hours ago and I haven't eaten any food. I've just had a few cups of black coffee. But when I'm hungry, I think it's a fantastic time to work out. And then after this workout, I won't eat for a few hours. I might even meet someone and go for a walk. And while I'm doing that, my body will be getting a lot of health benefits. All right, let's get started. So 10 double unders, followed immediately afterwards by 10 shoulder presses. Okay. Okay, my trusted concrete block. So, I'll provide a link down below in the description to a video I made where I talk about how you can use a concrete block to get a great workout in. Set number 3. If you're able to exercise outside in the sunshine, I highly encourage it. Just be careful you don't expose your skin to too much sun. I've talked about that in previous videos. This concrete block cost $1 and it weighs 15 kilograms. There's so many exercises that you can use it for. All right. Exercise doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to be effective. Okay, this is set number 6, I believe. Starting to feel a little bit of a burn in my shoulders. So I'm starting to produce lactic acid, which is great for a number of benefits, and I'll cover that in a future video. Wow, it's so beautiful outside. Exercising and getting vitamin D. I've done some questions lately about how to time your double under jumps better, and that's something I'll cover in a future video, as well as better hand positioning. I got 2 more sets. All right, last set here. So that's it, a very brief but fantastic workout. So as I said, I did this without eating beforehand, which I think has numerous benefits. And now I'm not gonna eat for a few hours afterwards. Right now, I can totally feel that my hunger is gone away. So I'm not gonna feel like eating for a couple hours afterwards. And I think exercising when you're hungry or on an empty stomach and then not eating afterwards for a little while can be very effective for boosting fat burning as well as improving health. If I had a sports competition, for example, maybe I would eat after a game, for example, if I knew I had another game coming up. But if I'm just exercising for health and improved body composition, I often don't eat following a workout. I'm feeling really good, so I'm gonna throw in a final set of double unders here. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time.